Let me sit up straight for y'all so you can see this wig in all its glory. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing amazing. Let's jump into today's install, shall we? Today's hair sponsor is one that I love to collaborate with and I've collaborated with many times. Let's give a warm welcome back to BGMGirl hair. Like when I collaborate with them, I'll be saying their name wrong. I'll be saying like BGMGirl, but I got it today, so that's all that matters. Now, I'm in a good mood because this wig is so beautiful, and every time I have a beautiful wig, easy install, everything goes as planned, my day just starts going higher and higher and higher and higher and higher. We're up here. Nothing's gonna bring us down because this wig is gorgeous, honey, and super beginner friendly, guys. Let me tell you what I have installed before I blabber your ears off. What I have installed is a 26-inch 6x4 HD glueless, pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-everything wig. This is the wear and go style, means you can put her on and go. You guys know, first things first, what do we like to do? What do we like to do? We like to try on the wig first to show you guys the lace. I'm gonna put it on. Or should we just do her glueless? I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna put some powder along the hairline. I'm going in with a color that looks similar to my skin tone. I'm spraying some conditioner water. Not much, just a little bit, just make it one. Okay, that's style number one just tossed over. Spray. This is what I'm gonna be using because I love this stuff. I've been trying to tell you guys lately. It's perfect for glueless installs. And that now, I'm telling you, go get that product. Don't sleep on it. And we're not even going to curl the baby hairs. We're just gonna casually swoop them. Let's push this hair away. Go in and define the part. Can't see her right now. Just go with the flow. I'm gonna go in anywhere along the hairline. This is so beautiful. Look at that melt, guys. It's perfect. This is a miracle smoothening sealant. It smells delightful. Another one bites the dust. You know what this style is missing? When I'll be right back. And this is what it's missing, y'all. I got a little box here. Janelica. This is missing. This is gonna set the outfit off, okay? If you guys want this, I'm going to link it in the description box for you, okay? Use my code and save some coins. This is gonna set off this look. The blonde hair, the black tee with this. The hair, the watch, and the face. Baby. Yes, ma'am. Now the look is complete. I like big fluffy hair, so I'm gonna fluff it out. Yeah. And guys, look at the lace. Look at the lace, okay? That's what you want to see. It's looking gorgeous. The hair feels very soft. Ooh, She's so long. It's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Wow, 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 wow. I'm blown away. This is my favorite type of wig. Glueless closure wig that's like a 6x4, and it's the 427 highlight brown. Okay, so there's a lot going on. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier, but that's what it is. It's gorgeous, guys. 10 out of 10. The link is gonna be in the description box. I gotta go. Bye, y'all.